Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to promote your property on Booking.com. Firstly, select whether you're listing a hotel, B&B, vacation rental, apartment or other property. Fill in property name, location and address, contact details, and hotels only, star rating, group or chain info or management details. Now choose the facilities you provide such as breakfast, parking, house rules, language spoken by staff, and pet policy. Adding more facilities make your property more attractive and searchable. Also, add room details including room type, number and size of beds, room size in meter square, smoking policy, bathroom type, bathroom items and in-room amenities. List exact room size can be great upselling advantage. Now, decide on nightly rates based on market competition, seasonal demand and profit margin after Booking.com commission. You can always update prices later based on trends. Comparative but realistic pricing is more bookings. Now upload clear high-resolution JPEG or PNG photos, then includes bedrooms, living areas, bathrooms, kitchen, and outside views. Photos are the first impression. Go photos is higher booking rate. Now set up payment methods you accept, invoices and taxes, licenses and permits. And for extra promotion tips, you can optimize your listing with clear descriptions and highlight what makes your property unique. Enable Genius loyalty program and offer flexible cancellation policies to attract more guests. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.